we are in a world of darkness. And in the world of darkness, or in the world of suffering, we are constantly making arrangements to remove the suffering condition. It's like if suffering condition is considered to be darkness, then our endeavor to free ourselves from the suffering condition is like removing darkness by lighting a lamp. When you light a lamp, darkness is dispelled. But for how long the darkness will be dispelled? Only as long as the lamp will burn. When the lamp is extinguished, then the suffering condition prevail again. Now you are in a dark room, all the windows are closed, doors are shut, and it is in total darkness. But if somehow or other you come out of the room, you manage to go out of the room, and it's broad daylight, then will there be any darkness? When the sun is up in the sky, will there be any darkness? No. So, in order to light up that a region, do you need to light some lamp or put some electric bulbs? No. So that is the difference between Sukh and Ananda. Sukh is removing the darkness and with a lamp and getting some light for the time being. In the material nature, we all are running after Sukh. But when we get out of this material nature and go to the spiritual world, that world is full of light, full of joy, full of enjoyment. And we don't have to make any endeavor to enjoy there. It's a world of joy. So just by being there, we'll be joyful. So now tell me, what will you do? Light lamps to get rid of the darkness? Or go out of the dark room in broad daylight and enjoy the sunlight? So that is the intelligent thing to do. And what takes us out of this dark room? Krishna consciousness. Krishna Surya Samo. Krishna is like the sun. See the analogy that I gave? Krishna Surya Sama. Krishna is like the sun. Maya hoy andhakar. And Maya is darkness. Jaha Krishna taha nahi mayar adhikar. Where there is Krishna, there is no room for Maya. When the sun is up, is there any room for darkness? Any possibility of darkness? No. Therefore, the intelligent thing to do is just to be Krishna conscious. Lead your life with Krishna in the center. By remembering Krishna, by serving Krishna, by speaking about Krishna, by singing the glory of Krishna. And then what will happen? In this life only you'll become liberated. In this life only you'll become liberated. Although you are in this body, material body, you are liberated.